Okay, first things first. I always letter the spaces in between the chords. So between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, between 3 and 4 is C. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is grab our red strand. We're going to pull it down. We're going to start with the left. We're going to go over the core, down through C. And we're going to leave this loop here. We're going to grab our right chord. We're going to go over the left chord, over the core, and down through A. Okay, there's our loop. Now, with our left chord, we're going to go over, down through the loop, and to the right of this chord over here. So it's going to look something like that. We're going to tighten. And that's the first part of our knot. Now we're going to grab the other chord. We're going to go over, through the loop, and on the left side of the right chord. Okay, pull it out. Let's tighten this up. Okay, we're going to grab both chords. We're going to go in the center of the core over these chords over here. So we're going to go down B. Left chord is going to go under and out through the loop over here. Right chord is going to go inside the core, under and out through the right. Now we start pulling. Okay, now we grab the gray chord on the left. We're going to go over the chord over here, over the red chord. We're going to go through the right side of that loop and pull. It's going to look something like that. We're going to go on the right hand side. We're going to go over the red chord. We're going to create a loop. We're going to go in through the loop and towards the left side. Okay, now we're going to tighten up. We're going to grab our red chord again. We're going to go over the core and down through C. We're going to grab our right chord. We're going to go over the core, over this chord over here, and down through A. We're going to form our loop. Now we're going to grab our chords. We're going to go down over the loop, over the crossing over here, and then we're going to go down through B and out through the loop on the left. Right chord, we're going to go down through B and out through the right side of the loop. And then we start pulling.